The new template-based footprint generator in OrCAD X helps you make your footprints faster without sacrificing quality. This solution gives you hundreds of templates for the most common package types found in PCB design. Surface mount devices like BGAs, chips, or chip arrays. Through devices like axial leads, discretes, or dips. Once you select the type of package you want, you're given a set of parameters you can change, which typically reflect what you would find in a datasheet. You also have a graphical image indicating what each parameter is. Once you specify the required values, you can then choose IPC A, B, or C and generate the PCB footprint symbol. The footprint is created, including all of the pins, place-bound, keep-outs, pad stacks, and other required data. The footprint generator also creates a 3D model based on the value specified. The footprint is linked to the original template, so you can return to the template and modify the parameters and update the footprint if needed.